right, guys, here's today's clues for today's chart. Hopefully you're ready with your hundredths chart and your pencil and your paper. Always remember to stop the video if you have to solve a problem or it's taking you a minute to figure it out and get them shaded in. You can go back, re-listen to it, whatever makes it easiest for you. All right, this one's a little bit harder than yesterday, so be ready. Okay, first clue. 2 more than 8 times 9, and a second one, 4 more than the product of 8 and 9. So you're shading 2 boxes in for this one. The first one is 2 more than the product of 8 and 9, and the next one is 4 more than the product of 8 and 9. Okay, here's the next clue. The numbers that are between 9 times 5 and 10 times 5. All the numbers that fall between 9 times 5 and 10 times 5. Remember, don't include those two, the numbers that fall between them. All right, the next clue has 2 parts. 6 squared is 1. Shade in 6 squared, and then shade in 10 less than 6 squared. Shade in 6 squared and 10 less than 6 squared. All right, next one. The even numbers between 82 and 8 times 11. The even numbers between 82 and 8 times 11. Between them, not including them. All right, the next one. 2 more than 11 times 5. 2 more than 11 times 5. All right, next one. 8 squared, so shade in 8 squared, and then shade in 2 more than 8 squared. Again, shade in 8 squared and 2 more than 8 squared. Next clue, 9 squared. Easy peasy, 9 squared. All right, next clue. Ooh, this one's tricky. 1/8, oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. 1/2 of 78. You're going to shade in that. 1/2 of 78. Now listen to this one. This one's a little tricky. 10 less than 1/2 of 78. So you're shading in 2 numbers. The first one is 1/2 of 78. And the second one is 10 less than 1/2 of 78. Hopefully you got that. All right, next clue. 6 times 7. And then also 1 more than 6 times 7. So again, 2 numbers, 6 times 7 and 1 more than 6 times 7. All right, this next clue has a lot of numbers in it, or several numbers in it, but listen carefully. Numbers that are greater than 50 and less than 90, so not including 50 and 90. Numbers that are greater than 50 and less than 90 with a 9 in the ones place. With a 9 in the ones place. So all the numbers between 50 and 90 with a 9 in the ones place. Okay, next clue. Numbers between 5 times 3 and 5 times 4. So all the numbers that fall between 5 times 3 and 5 times 4. Let's see what you get. All right, next clue. 1 less than 9 times 6. 1 less than 9 times 6. Okay, next clue. All the even numbers between 50 and 60. Even numbers between 50 and 60. Okay, next one. Two-digit numbers less than 80. So two-digit numbers. So look at all the numbers that have two digits that are less than 80 that have a 1 in the ones place. That should be several numbers. All two-digit numbers less than 80 with a 1 in the ones place. Okay, last one. Two-digit numbers less than 50. So again, two-digit numbers that are less than 50 that have a 4 in the ones place. That have a 4 in the ones place. Feel free to go back and re-listen to any of the clues that I gave and check yourself. If your number or your clue doesn't look quite right on your paper, go back and re-look at a couple of them. I'll put the answer on tomorrow's blog, and then tomorrow you'll actually do one for a quiz grade, okay? All right, good luck. I hope you like these and I hope you're doing well.